Hi, my name is Sunil Fernandez and I'm here to do a quick roundup of the day's market developments. The stock markets ended the day lower and significantly lower. It's lost, the Nifty lost 119.40 points in trade today to end at 11,678 points. The Sensex too lost ground and fell below that 40,000 levels mark. That's a psychological support level for the market. It dropped below that 40,000 points mark. It fell almost 392 points and ended the day at 39,888 points. Let's tell you some of the gainers today in trade. Some of the gainers today in trade was Yes Bank, Ultratech Cement, HUL, HCL Tech and Britannia. What fell was GAIL. GAIL fell significantly today in trade and was among the top losers. Apart from GAIL, we had Tata Motors, Sun Pharma, Maruti and Eicher Motors that gained ground. One of the reasons for today's sharp fall was global cues were exceedingly weak and largely again to do with the coronavirus. There are reports that there are some additional infections in Italy and there are about 11 deaths that happened in Italy. This led to a further fall in the markets across the globe. The entire Asian region saw a sharp fall and Europe was trading significantly lower. So we had the German benchmark index, the DAX, trading lower by 1.5–2%. Similarly, the French CAC was also trading lower and this led to some softness in the Indian markets as well. The US Dow futures was also pointing to lower openings across the US markets today, and that's probably what also led to some impact in Indian stocks. Let's tell you some of the stocks in the news. Godavari Power and Ispat was in the news on reports that it has started the rolling mill at one of its facilities. Another company that was in the news today was ID Cementation. ICRA has assigned a stable outlook to ID Cementation, and this was one of the reasons why the stock gained ground. Another stock that gained ground was India Cements. The stock gained a huge 20% and was locked at the upper end of the circuit filter. Largely there were reports that Gopi Kishan Damani has picked up a stake in the company, and this led to frenzied buying, and it was locked at the upper end of the circuit filter with only buyers in the counter. Some of the other stocks that saw good buying was Prism Johnson, Star Cement, BSF India. Some of the sectors that were seeing a negative impact or which ended the day lower was the telecom, auto, realty and power sector, all of which ended the day with losses. Coming to the outlook for the next few days, it looks like the sentiment would remain very weak on the back of the ongoing ongoing inflow of news on the infection of the coronavirus. So as the infections keep rising, the stock markets seem to keep falling. So unless we hear some positive news of a sharp fall in the infections and things like that, we might see the markets continue to fall. Crude oil also will keep falling lower. In fact, some of the stocks that are into oil and gas exploration like ONGC and Oil India saw significant drops. In fact, ONGC fell to a new 52-week low in trade today. So as crude oil keeps falling, we'll have the oil and exploration majors also seeing their shares fall. It looks like it's going to be a volatile week again. We have, of course, 2 more days of trading, and it won't be surprised to see further weakness in the markets. Remember, FI sold heavily in the cash counter yesterday, and probably we have to look at the net FI inflow, and that might be again negative today, and we might see some more bit of selling pressure from foreign portfolio investors as the week progresses. That's all from me for now. Continue to watch our videos and subscribe to our Good Returns channel, and also keep reading goodreturns.in. We hope to come out with another video tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.